Okay, guys, this is a very, very important update from Commander Gentle. Gentle have something to say, and that is why we are here to react on that. But before then, I would like to encourage you to like this video, click on that button, and subscribe to the channel if you have not. Comment and tell us what you think about what the video is all about. Very, very, very important. So many people have rumored that he's no more alive. They have by him. They burned down his, base. Blah 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 blah, and some people actually made it clear that nothing happened to him. So it's kind of a rumor in the past. People have been rumoring about his existence and all that. Now he surfaced with a swag, and that's why we're here to share it with you. Please, if you have not watched the video, pay attention to listen to what he said. I don't want to stress the video. I don't want to stress you with the video rather. I just want you to listen to everything he says here. Like I said, share this video and subscribe to the channel. Like the video, very, very important. So let's go there and I'll be right back.
Nigerian Army and the DSS Police, Air Force, Navy. You are just there, they kill yourself. See, we are one come mad, they enjoy himself. Yes, Kelele. Alele Obioko. You never know what they do to themselves. Dala. Di beri bendin zuzu. Magalolu alanya on them besa. Them besa they say what to le. Nigeria police and army DSS only what to le. Mad people all over the world. Are those southeast governors? When I know what you know they benefit from insecurity. They call the owners of the land terrorists, while you all are terrorists. Not that you people are causing the insecurity, you are the terrorists in Southeast. If you are denying that you are not a terrorist, the reason Nnamdi Kanu today, you see that insecurity in the Southeast will stop automatically, instantly. That is what Gentle the Yahoo is telling you people. Justly because of you people knows what you people are benefiting from the insecurity in Southeast. That is why you people are holding in Nnamdi Kanu there. The president of Finland Prime Minister, I greet you. You are a wonderful man. The Prime Minister of Israelites, you are a man. I greet you. You are a wonderful man. We love you. We are together, which we know. The president of Russia, Putin, I greet you, I hail you. You are a man. The president of China, I hail you. This is Biafra, the voice of Biafra Liberation Army, speaking. UN, I greet you all. But please and please, the Donald Trump, I honored you. You are a great man. The Biafrans has all it takes. We are appealing to you all to please put mouth and help Biafrans. Biafrans has been dying in the hands of the zoological people. And it is DOS that is causing all these killings in Nigeria. They are the one deceiving all these terrorists that call themselves military of zoological country, of zoological people. They are deceiving them, telling them that we are terrorists. They are the ones making them not to understand what we are fighting for, that we are fighting for our freedom. DOS is the one. We are not against our people, we are not killing our people. We are not the one killing our people. It is DOS that is killing our people. How can we stand and be fighting for our freedom and on top of it we are killing our brothers? It's impossible. All those allegations is allegation. We are not a kidnapper. We are not a criminals. and we can't engage ourselves on that. We are only freedom fighter. We are only fighting for our freedom. Biafra. We are only fighting for Biafra nation. That is all we are fighting for. All these allegations that they are throwing on us, why shouldn't all these leaders and Tinubu being their criminal master with the Musafa? Why can't them go to Finland and clear themselves very well and clear the air over there? I don't want to talk much. They have come and we neutralize them in many numbers, but those ones, they will not carry the news. Thank God that all of you, being the world leaders, have seen the atrocities and the level of hatred that these people has on us. Look at how there has been setting houses ablaze. All those houses that they have been setting ablaze, killing innocent peoples, is it where the Biafran Liberation Armies are staying? This is the question I just want to ask them. Is it where they are living? I just want to know. Let them answer me this question. Can they come and fight us? Can they locate us where we are living, where we are staying? We have our camp. And they knows our camp very, very well. Now, they caught my brother called Zuma. They caught Zuma. They took Zuma to his own camp and destroyed his own camp, and they are claiming, propagandering, that that is my camp. That is not my camp. And for their information, I, gentle, am everywhere. I don't have camp. I don't have any camp. And I must make sure I bring Nigeria down. And Nigeria is falling already. And Nigeria have fallout. You have had my comrade, Commander Holy Ghost. He have said it all. And that is the message for all of Biafrans. They have to hear it up. Let them not think that we are joking. We are not joking. We are not playing. We are so much serious. We are more than serious to these people. And we cannot take it light with them. This is Onyo Ezoku, aka H0t, the Yahoo. I have come up once again to let the world knows that all this propaganda of Nigeria, terrorists of Athens, we are tired of it. We are only saying that we don't want to be among Nigeria. We don't want to belong to Nigeria anymore. And we are not in Nigeria. I can never be a Nigeria. I have never been in Ugu outside in North before. Sincerely, they burnt me. I have never been in Lagos before. Why are they worried? Why are they worried like this? Why are they looking after me like this? Why are they searching for me to kill? I'm a Biafran. They have to stop looking around, searching for me to kill. They cannot kill me. My life is not in their hand.
Okay, now you have listened to him, and I believe you have listened to everything he said. Everything he said here is not hidden. And you may have your own opinion, you may agree or disagree, but I would like to know what you think and how you feel with the message that he has for Nigerian government and Biafrans, everybody. Just tell me what you think about it on comment section by putting your comment. And don't forget to like the video before you go. Subscribe to the channel. God bless you. See you again. Bye bye for now.